So question 6. Jenny played 4 games of golf. For these games her modal score was 76 and her mean score was 75. Her range of scores was 10. What was her score for the 4 games? So let's first think about what is the question actually giving us information about. We know that the modal score was 76, so that appears the most out of these 4 scores. And her mean score was 75. We can come back to that in a minute. Looking at the modal score, we know that that has to appear the most times. So we can actually say that 2 of these scores were 76. We might have a 3rd and a 4th one, but let's assume it's just 2 for now. If we do that, we must make sure that this number here and this number here are both different. Okay, but we can see about that in a moment. Her mean score was 75. What does it mean? It means I add up however many sets of data I got and I divide by how many sets of data I had. So for this example, we've got 4 scores and we know that the mean is 75. So something, which was the total, divided by 4 came out as 75. Let's find out what the total scores were then. So to get that something, we do 75 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 300. We already know 2 possible values, so we've got 76 and 76, which is equal to 152. So out of the other 2 scores, we have got 148 left. Now to try and work this out, there are only 2 scores, so let's divide by 2. When we do 148 divided by 2, we're left with 74. Now we can't put 74 and 74 because that means we've got a bimodal score. We've got 76 and 74. We've got one last piece of valuable information, which her range of scores was 10. So if we know that possibly the middle point is 74, let's go 5 that way, which is equal to 79. And let's go 5 the other way, so we've got 69. And so let's see about that. We've got 69 and we've got 79. Let's just check that my 4 scores meet my criteria. So for these games, her modal score was 76. Does 76 appear the most times? Yes, it does. Her mean score was 75. I can do a very quick check of this. So I can do 76 plus 76 plus 69 plus 79. That's equal to 300. If I do 300 divided by 4, I get an answer of 75. So her mean score is 75. Her range of scores was 10, so that's the largest number. Take away the smallest number, we've got 79. Take away 69, which is equal to 10. So there we have our 4 scores, which are 76, 76, 69, and 79, and it doesn't matter what way we write those down.